Kaya mo ko rin sa social page, bro. Dapat i-take one.
Mark Tabornal is nominated.
Pwede pa mag-nominate?
Yes, nominate.
I nominate Randy.
Randy is nominated.
Hey, bro, kasi
Randy is nominated.
social page, bro.
Decline.
Norman Hinito, tol.
Hawakan ko yung social page.
Mark Tabornal. Sino pa? Ano pa? Mark decline.
JJ Go.
Jigo Dagyo, kanya mo decline.
Go.
Jenito.
Oo.
Decline na, may magpapagay ka. Jigo Dagyo, ayun yung minigyan.
Jigo Dagyo is nominated. Okay. Yes. Close. Second. Any objection? Okay. Public Relations Officer.
Diego Dagyo.
National Tribunal Officer. National Tribunal, Justice Tribunal Officer.
Kana mangukingay, may nagikuan.
The table now is open for nomination. National Justice Tribunal Officer. Mga nominated? Decline. Yes.
Malandi.
Brad, di ko katulog, Brad.
Tagaloilo.
Decline.
Mark
Decline.
Decline. Yes.
Rita Bugado.
Decline nga. Decline. Nomination? Nomination?
Imina. Dapat imina. Imina. Ito. Dalakan imina ko.
Ha? Any more nomination? This is an open nomination. No? This is not because sa kalugar ka no. It's an open nomination. Apektuhan mo gud dalan og isa lang. It's an open nomination. Any more?
Doon kanina sa ano.
Ito, ato na rin.
Yung national membership, wala ko.
Ito pa. Sunod dito. May pinakalas.
Ah, yes.
No.
Tito Damaso.
Sige, bro.
Any more nomination?
Ha?
Hindi, sige lang. Suffrage man ta. They have the right. Because kung atong pugson na sila, diyo niya mo servisyo. Kung taron.
Ilaw na. Ilaw.
Oo, tama. Yaga-yaga, mga kuwan. Meron kung sana.
Brad, Toto. Skillius, Brad. Mayang niya, turn name ni. Toto Bustillo.
Toto Bustillo, nominated. NGTC.
National Justice Tribunal. Toto.
Decline.
Board meeting na tulinig ang taga ng Dilgor, Tiratanan.
Ito. Toto. Bustillo.
Any more? Dua pa. Isa ka NGTC, isa ka Membership Development Officer. How about Iloilo? Host man mo.
We're having a international presentation. We're waiting for the time na may mga present sa Iloilo ba. Dalawa lang sila ako ngayon. Wala pa sila rin.
Sige lang. Anyway, they know the schedule. We cannot wait for those people. May importante diya, na-agree willing to stay just like us, spending our time here.
Toto lagi. Bukan Brad. Brad, seksyon di Corona. Oh. Tidak, kaya bukan umur kaya ka.
Tribunal, Judge.
LLP ang kurso na tol. LLP. Kansilo ng Plo. Pagbago niya, kung magkapasok, ladi-ladi
So, tribunal. Tribunal. Brad? Okay. Any more nomination? We have one nomination. Any more nomination? Close?
Sigan.
Yes. Second. Objection?
No, objection.
No. Yes?
The possession of Brad Palin must be low graduate.
Low graduate daw. LLB ba? Sige lang, okay lang. Sige lang, wala problema. They can handle. They can handle personal knowledge, okay?
Isa. Nominate.
Objection! Objection overruled. We will now declare and proclaim him as our new Justice Tribunal officer.
Sino?
Sino yun? Pangalan? Toto Bustillo.
Okay.
Baltasar.
Baltasar, Bustillo. Support.
Let's go to the Membership Development Officer.
Bustillo.
Yes.
Bustillo.
Bustillo.
Support. Support sa ito lang. Karoon na. Karoon kayo ito. Isukot ba? Isukot. Kaya mag-question mo tayo natin. Oo. Mau pa, dito pa na.
Wiper ba to? Wiper? Wiper ba? Wiper man, wiper.
Yes, gina.
Any nomination? Yes.
Brad, upon the possession of Paul Palin, the sec must be Christian. The possession must be low graduate or lawyer.
Okay, we will throw this one to the body.
May ma-question na sila sa SIC.
No, Justice Tribunal Officer.
Sa SIC, pag-register.
There is an objection here. Dapat low graduate o lawyer. It was pronounced the LLB.
Yes.
It was pronounced man daw ni Iwan. Is that true? Ha?
Yes, Brad, upon the submission of SIC registration, the lawyer or the legal counsel of the SIC must be question me.
Question ang SIC.
Okay, so according to the rules of the Security and Exchange Commission, the Justice Tribunal officers must be an LLB graduate or a lawyer or backgrounds with law, no?
Kasi very sensitive position.
Yes.
Kasi sabi dito, wala namang mga abogado dito, wala namang kalbin na kailangan ng posisyon. Kung ano ba yung kaso yung pag-uusapan natin, mas magaling yan kasi dating barangay official, dating ano ba yun yung pang-barangay.
Anyway, let's tone down our voices, no? Ganito lang yun. We will submit their names to the SEC and their qualification. If the SEC were questioned, let us give it to the new set of officers to answer.
Mas better.
Okay?
Okay. Sige, carry na. Carry. Sige.
Laro mo nato para dito na technical ba. Actually, sa observe na ko, ganihar ko ni si Wiper. Pero because of tanan ng Wiper, with the presence of this mga batang tao, so wala ko kakalitan. I will happily accept the position that in terms of qualification, lain na kaya ko. Ano tribunal, more qualify sa kuha. Pero tribunal, hindi na qualify. I am not no students. I am a good graduate. A good means agricultural education. Tigtod ko sa mga manghuna. Pero dili ako tigbadlo, tikulata. Tikulata pwede. Tigbadlo wala. Tighusay. Pero we can learn through experience in front of the case na. Kaya in fact now, ako nagatubang ko kaso ron, tuha ko kaso na ko. Kaloy sa Diyos, ultimo judge mo napindi. Okay, mo na to. So bahala no, mo na ipadayon ko, ako nagpasalamat ko kung hindi ko mo qualified. At least wala burden sa mga part. Pero kung wala nila yung mag-up ninyo, mag-isig sa itong organization para at least makaingon ta nga atong organization. Tell them to us part, magkayo sa ta, magtinabangay ka. Di, I will. Okay. Settle? Settle?
Ayaw na ko ninyo tagain o problema kay minutes na lang. Minutes. So, National Membership and Development Officer.